In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use API call with Relevance AI post meeting. By the end, you'll have a simple tool that can call the Relevance AI API after a meeting to help with tasks like summarizing notes or extracting action items. First, open Relevance AI and sign in so you're on the main workspace. From the left sidebar, open Tools. This is where you create and manage custom tools. Click New Tool to start a fresh one and choose the default template. It gives you a clean slate without extra configuration. Give your tool a clear title, such as Meeting Summary Tool, so you and your teammates can recognize it later. Add a short description explaining what it does and when to use it. A helpful description will make the tool easier to find and maintain over time. Next, go to Inputs. Inputs define what your tool needs to run. Click More to reveal additional input types and select the API key input. This creates a secure field specifically designed for storing a secret key used in API calls. You'll enter your key here. If you don't have one yet, no problem. Let's grab it now. Head back to the dashboard, open Integrations and API Keys, then select Relevance API Keys. Create a new secret key and click Generate an API key. Copy it immediately. For security reasons, you often won't be able to see it again. Store it in a secure password manager and never share it publicly or embed it in code that others can view. Return to Tools, find the tool you just created, and open it. Paste the API key into the API key input you set up earlier. This connects your tool to Relevance AI securely so your post-meeting workflow can make authenticated requests. When you're ready, move to the next step in the builder to finalize the configuration. This is a good moment to double check that your input names match what your prompts or requests expect and that any default values make sense. Now, run the tool. For a quick test, use a short set of meeting notes so you can verify the output fast. Confirm that the request completes without errors and that the result matches your goal, like a concise summary or a list of action items. If something doesn't look right, revisit your description, inputs, or prompt wording and run it again. That's it. You've set up a post-meeting tool in Relevance AI, securely added an API key, and run your first call. Save your changes, and you'll be ready to use this workflow after your next meeting.